Hi everyone, I Shurojit welcome you all on Economatrix Day channel. आज हम लोग सीखने वाले हैं क्लास 7 का मैथमेटिक्स। तो चलिए बिना वक्त गवाए शुरू करते हैं आज का क्लास।
This could be us. So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
Now today class 7 students, we are again going to continue with chapter 5, Powers and Exponents. And today we are going to understand one new concept, okay? And today's part is part 4. So what is that new concept? The new concept is coming from the old concept. What is that one? See, I have written here expanded form of numbers. Now expanded form of numbers means in your lower classes, you suppose if you take one number 7, 8, 6, 5, 2. Okay, so this is one number. Now you have to expand it, okay, in an expanded form. How you will write? 7 into, now 7 is sitting under which place? Under the 10,000 place. So you will write 10,000, clear? Because 7 is here, then how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So for that 4 zeros, clear? Now plus, then 8. 8 multiplied with 8 is sitting here in the 1000 place. So after 8, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3. So 3 zeros, 1 followed by 3 zeros. Okay, remember this thing. Then 6. Then plus 6 into 6 is sitting under the hundreds place. So 100. Now here after that 2 digits are there. So 1 followed by 2 zeros. Then plus. Then 5. 5 into, after 5, how many digits are there? 1. So 1 followed by 1 0. Okay, and then 2 plus 2 into. So 2 is sitting in the ones place. So ones place means only 1 we can write. Or if you don't write also, simply if you write only 2 also, it is okay. Okay, but still then I am writing 1. Okay, now this thing, if I want to convert it into exponential form, okay, and exponential form of what? Of 10. Okay, so how I will do it? See now here this part 7, 8, 6, 5, 2. So I will write equal to 7 into 10, and it has how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4. So power will be 4 plus 8 into, now 10, now how many zeros are there? 3, so to the power 3. Then plus 6 into 10 to the power 2. Why 2? Because 2 zeros are there. Then plus, now 5 into 10 only, so 10 to the power 1 plus 2 into, now here 1. How I will make it? We can make it into 10 to the power 0. Why? Because anything to the power 0 means only 1. Understanding or no? So this is how we can express anything in the exponential form. A number we can express it in an exponential form. Okay, in this way we will express. Now it will be easy for you to switch. So when we will switch to the exercise sum, then that time it will be easy. So let's begin to solve the exercise question. Now let us solve exercise 5.3. And in this exercise there are only 3 sums. Okay, and we should start from the beginning, sum number 1, 2, 3. But here we will do a little bit different. We will start with sum number 3, because what I taught you just now, that is only told here to find out. See here, write the following numbers in the expanded form. So just now I taught you expanded form, and using what? Exponential notation. Okay, so you have to use the exponential notation of 10. Okay, now see 2, 0, 7, 3, 4, 5. So we will put here one equal to sign. Then we will write here 2 into. Now after 2, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you will write 1 and then you will put 5 zeros. Clear or no? Then 0, no need. Then after that 7. into. Now after 7, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3. So 1 followed by 3 zeros plus. Then 3. 3 you will write multiplied with. After 3, 2 digits are there. So 1 followed by 2 zeros. So how many digits are left? That many zeros. And before that 1 you have to put. Okay. Then plus. Then 4 is there. See 4. And after 4, 1 digit is left. So 4 into 10. Then last one is 5. So plus 5. And I will prefer you to write 1. Okay. Now after that equal to 2 into, now 10 to the power 5 zeros. So 10 to the power 5 plus 7 into 10 to the power 3 plus 3 into 10 to the power 2 plus 4 into 10 to the power 1 plus 5 into 10 to the power 0. So if you can see, if you see nicely, the powers of 10 are slowly decreasing. 5, 3, 2, 1, 0. Clear or no? So it is in a decreasing form. Clear or no? Now I hope you have understood, and this is the answer only. This is only the answer. Clear? Got it? This is the expanded form using the exponential notation. Okay. Now next one. Next one is very easy one. 4 into 1 followed by 3 zeros. Why? 3 digits are there. Plus 6 into 1 followed by 2 digits are there. Plus. Then 4 into 1 followed by only 1 zero. And then plus 8 into 1. Now this one in the exponential notation, 4 into 10 to the power 3 plus 6 into 10 to the power 2 plus 4, let me write nicely, 4 into 10 to the power 1 plus 8 into 10 to the power 0, and this is the answer. Clear? Now next one, number C. C also, it is little bit big, but no problem. 1 into, after that 6 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 9 into 1 followed by 5 zeros plus again 6 into 1 followed by 4 zeros plus again 9 into 1 followed by how many zeros? 3 zeros plus again 6 into 2 zeros, okay, 1 followed by 2 zeros, and then plus 1 into 1. Clear? No? And 0, this 0, no need. Okay. Now what I will write? 1 into 10 to the power 6 plus 9 into 10 to the power 5 plus 6 into 10 to the power 4. See, the powers are decreasing, plus 9 into 10 to the power 3 plus 6 into 10 to the power 2 plus 1 into 10 to the power 0, and this is the answer. Clear? Now the last one, number D. D, how we will do? Same way, 4 into, now after that how many digits? 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so 5 zeros. Then plus again 4 into 1 followed by how many zeros? 4 zeros plus again 5 into, how many digits are there? 3. So 1 followed by 3 zeros. Clear? No? Then 0, no need. Okay. Then plus 6 into only 10, 1 digit. Okay. And then plus 7 into 1. Okay. Last one will be 7 into 1. If you write only 7 also, no problem. Okay. Now we will make it 4 into 10 to the power 5 plus 4 into 10 to the power 4 plus 5 into 10 to the power 3 plus 6 into 10 to the power 1. 10 to the power 2 is not there. Why? Because here, see here, this one, it is 0, na? So that's why it is not there. Then plus 7 into 10 to the power 0. And this is the answer. I hope you have understood question number 3 nicely. Now we are going to understand another new concept, that is scientific notation. What does this mean? any number, a number, okay, when expressed as a decimal number, you have to express it as a decimal number, okay, between 1 and 10, that means 1.0 and 10.0. So, you have to express the decimal number in between 1 and 10. It should not be less than 1 also, it should not be more than 10 also, okay. So, it should be 1, okay, or greater than 1, but it should be 10 and below, okay, not 10 and above, and multiplied by a power of 10, and it should be multiplied also by a power of 10, then that is known as what? Scientific notation or standard form, okay. And it is in which style? The form will be like this way, k into 10 to the power n. And what is this n? N is an integer. This n is what? Is an integer. And you know integer means what? There are positive integer, negative integer, as well as 0 is also there, okay, where 1 less than equal to k less than 10. What does this mean? That means k, see nicely, k is equal to 1 or more than 1. Then 1 will be less than k or equal to k. Another one less than 10, and 10 k value will be what? K will be less than 10, okay, but it will be not greater than 10. Clear no? So, this is the thing you have to understand. Clear no? So, the value of the decimal number should be 1.0 and 10.0. Clear? Now, if I want to explain this thing with the help of an example, suppose if I write 120. So, 120 I have to express it in decimal number. So, 120, if I divide it by 10, then it will become 12.0, that means 12. 12 is greater than 10, we cannot. So, we will divide it by 100, then it will become what? The point will come here 1.20. So, it is in between 1 and 10. Clear no? But this 100 which I brought, this I brought extra in the denominator. So, that is wrong. So, I have to make it correct. So, what I have to do? I have to multiply again 100 on top. So, numerator and denominator both we are multiplying with what? With 100. That is done. Okay. That can be done. Okay. Now, what I will do here? This 100. So, the point will be what? 1.20 into, and 100 means what? 10 to the power 2. And I can express this one like this way, in this style. So, this is in the style of scientific notation. Clear? Now, we are going to solve question number 1. Express the following in the scientific notation. So, scientific notation just now we have studied. So, let us do this scientific notation. So, look here, this is the number, very big number is there. So, what I will do? I will break this number, okay. So, what I will do? I will write 72 into 1, then followed by how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, 8 zeros. Now, I have to put here this one point, okay. So, what I can do? I have to put here, so 72 if I divide by 10, then it is okay. Yes or no? So, see, if I put the division by 10 and if I then remove it, then here point will be there, it will become 72 by 10 will become 7.2. Then what it is here? Here it is what? 1 followed by 8 zeros. But you see here this 10 I brought extra, that is wrong. So, I have to multiply again with the numerator 110 into, and now this one is what? 10 to the power 8. This one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 to the power 8. Okay. Now, you can see here this one, if I don't write this 10, then this will be 7.2. So, like this you have already done into. Now, see 10 means 10 to the power 1 is there. Okay. And here see the base are same. So, the powers will be added, 1 plus 8 will become 9. So, 10 to the power 9, and this becomes the answer. Clear? Now, let us do this one. 2, 3, 4, 5 into 1 followed by how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what I can do now? I can write this one 2, 3, 4, 5 into 10 to the power 5. Clear now? Now this one I have to bring decimal point, and the decimal point should be in between 1.0 and 10.0. So the decimal point should be here. So if the decimal point is here, then after decimal point, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3. That means I have to divide this number with 1 followed by 3 zeros. That means 1000. Okay. And this one I am bringing extra. So this also I have to write in the numerator. Okay. And then 10 to the power 5 is already there. Now what I will do? I will put the decimal point 2, 3, 4, 5. Already like this sums you have done. So the decimal point will be from this side after 3 digits. So here. And then into 10 to the power 3. And this one 10 to the power 5. And now we can write 2.345 into 10 to the power 8. And this is the answer. Clear now? Why 10 to the power 8? Because base are same, multiplication sign. So the powers will be added. 3 plus 5, 8. I hope that you have understood A and B nicely. Now question number C. So this is the number. So what I can do? I will break it. What I will write? 6, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 0 we will not write, into, and we will put 10. Okay. Now I have to bring here decimal point. So it should be here, the decimal point. So if it is here after this decimal point, if the decimal point is here, after that how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means 6, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, okay, 9, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1 followed by 8 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Into 10 to the power 1 or 10 only you can write. It is 10. Okay. Now look here. If I have divided by 10 to the power or 1 followed by 8 zeros. So that means 10 to the power 8. So upside also we have to write 10 to the power 8. This and this both are same. If you cannot, you can simply write 1 followed by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like this way also you can write. Okay. This is extra. So if you bring in the denominator extra, then numerator also you have to write that extra. Now if you put the decimal point, so it will become 6.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Into 10 to the power, this is what? 1 into 10 to the power 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what it becomes? 6.99999999 into 10 to the power 9. And this is the answer. Clear now? Now let us do this one. What I will do? I will put equal to sign. Then what I will write? 76. And I have to bring here point. That means it will become 7.6. So downside 10,000 is there. I will break this one into two parts. 10 into, okay, 1000. That means 10,000 only. Now what I will do? See, 76 by 10. That means, or you can write 76 by 10 into 10 to the power 3. See nicely. Understand. This is the division sign and this is 10 to the power 3. Okay. Now this one what I can do? 7.6. If I don't write this 10, it will become 7.6. Now if this one goes upside, okay, from denominator if it goes upside, the power, the sign of the power changes. If it is positive, it will become negative. If it is negative, it will become positive. So it is positive, so it will become negative. So 10 to the power minus 3. And this is the answer. Clear? Now students, if you like my channel, if you like this video, then I would like to request all my students to please give a like, share this video more and more with your friends, classmates and relatives, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, because when you subscribe, it really motivates me to make more such interesting videos for you. And don't forget to press the all notification bell, ting ting, so that whenever I upload such videos, you will get the notifications first. Now let us come to the next question, question number E, 625. So here 625, I will write, I have to bring a point here 6.25. So I will divide it by 100, but this is extra, I am bringing in the denominator, so I have to write in the numerator also 100. Okay, now what it comes, 6.25 into this 100 means what, 10 to the power 2, and this is the answer. Clear now? Now here 0.000008. So if I don't write this point, then 8 divided by 1, and then after decimal, how many digits are there? 3, 6, 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Clear now? Now see 8, it is in between 1 and 10, 1.0 and 10.0. So what I can write here? 8 by 10 to the power 7. Now 8 into, if this one goes upside, then it will become what? 10 to the power minus 7, and this one is the answer. So you can write the answer like this way, or you can write the answer like this also. Okay, 8 means 8.0 also is correct. Okay, into 10 to the power minus 7. So like this also you can represent 8.0. 8.0 or 8 is same only. Okay, you can either represent it in this way or you can represent it in this way. Okay, both the ways I have shown you. Which one you feel easy, you can do it. So this is also correct way, understanding, and this one is also correct way. So I hope how to express the numbers in scientific notation, now it is very clear. Okay, clearer for every student. Okay, so you have to practice. Now we will move on to the next question. Now let us come to the next question, question number 2. Express the following in the usual form. So you have to express it in the usual form. So how you will express it in the usual form? This is the sum. So what you will write? 9.018, you write 9018. You are not writing point. So if you don't write the decimal point, then downside it will bring 1, and after decimal point, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3. So 3 zeros you will put, and then into 10 to the power 5. Now after that, 9018 by 10 to the power, I can write 3 into 10 to the power 5. Now I can cut it. Okay, 10 to the power 3 cuts, and with this 5 it becomes 2. So 9018 into 10 to the power 2. Now 9018, 10 to the power 2 means what? 100. So 901800, and this is the answer, the usual form. Okay, the number. Okay, like how you did the sum number 3, the starting, beginning. Okay, the sum which you did, the number was given. So that is the usual form. Okay, now this one how we will do? Let me draw here one line. Now I will remove the decimal point. So 314071 divided by 1. Now after decimal, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then into 10 to the power 5. Now 314071, and this one I can write 10 to the power 5 into again 10 to the power 5. Now 10 to the power 5, 10 to the power 5 cancels. So what you get? 314071, and this is the answer. See, so easy one. Okay, there is nothing to get confused. Okay, now first you will remove the decimal point. So 89 by 10. Clear? I have removed the decimal point. Now 10 to the power minus 4, if I want to bring it downside, it will become 10 to the power plus 4 or positive 4. Okay, now after that, see here, now this one 89 by, now 10 to the power 1 or 10 to the power 4. So 10 to the power 5. Clear? Now what I can write? 89 by 1 followed by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. Now if I don't want to write this number downside, okay, 1 followed by 5 zeros, if I want to write 89 only, then I have to put what? Decimal point. So decimal point will go from here and it will be after 5 digits. So 1 digit, 2 digit, then no more digits. So what I will do, I will put here 0, 0, 0. Now see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I will put the decimal point. And before decimal point, 1 0 is needed for safety. So equal to 0.00089. And this is the answer. Okay. Now let us come to the next sum, 2D. So this is the sum. So what I will do, I will first remove the decimal point. Okay. So it will be 1 followed by 2 zeros because after decimal 2 digits are there. Then here what comes? 10 to the power 9. Now 4, 5, 7. I can write 10 square, okay, into 10 to the power 9. Now this one and this one will cut and there will be 7 left. So 4, 5, 7 into 10 to the power 7. Now 4, 5, 7 into 1 followed by 7 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if you multiply 4, 5, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 zeros and this is the answer. Clear now? So this is the way you have to solve these sums. Okay. Now number E. So first I will remove what? The decimal. So 100 will be here. And then here what it is? 10 to the power minus 3. So let us bring it downside. 10 to the power positive 3. Okay. Negative 3 will become downside positive 3. Now 5, 1, 5. And this one 100 means 10 to the power 2 into 10 to the power 3. Okay. Now what comes? 515 by 10 to the power 5. That means 515 divided by 1 followed by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 zeros. Now I have to put the, I will not write this number in the denominator. Okay. So 515, I will put the decimal point. So it will go from here after, how many zeros are there? 5 zeros. So the decimal point will be after 5 digits. So 1, 2, 3, no digit is there. I can put 0, 0. And then the decimal point comes. See, after 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then before decimal point, 1, 0 is very, very important for safety reason. So this is the answer. Clear? Now, number F. 2.159 into 10 to the power minus 5. So if I remove this one, decimal point 2159 by 1 followed by 3 zeros, and this 10 to the power minus 5, if it comes down 10 to the power positive 5. Okay. Now 2159 by 10 to the power 3 into 10 to the power 5. Clear no? So what it becomes? 2159 by 10 to the power 8. Why 10 to the power 8? 10 to the power 3 into 10 to the power 5. Bases are same, so powers will be added because in between multiplication sign is there. So 3 plus 5, 8. Now what I will do, I can do directly also, and if you cannot do directly, what you do, you can write, okay, 1 then followed by 8 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I will put the decimal point 2159. So decimal point will go from this side after 8 digits. Why? Because 8 zeros are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now no zeros. So it will put here 0, 0, 0, 0. And here the decimal. And before decimal 1 0 for safety. And this is the answer. Clear? I hope you have understood the sum. Question number 2 from A to F, how to convert it into the usual form. So all the sums from exercise 5.3 are over. Now it is your duty to practice these sums again and again so that when it comes in the exam you can do it correctly as well as quickly. अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा। मिलते हैं और एक अच्छे नए कंटेंट के साथ। तब तक के लिए बाय बाय।